How to lose weight successfully with intermittent fasting. If you are too miserable with your heavy body and have tried all kinds of methods to lose weight but have not got results, then this is the video for you. There are many people who have misconceptions about keto, intermittent fasting, and dieting. So no matter how hard they try, their weight loss fails. Intermittent fasting is not a diet, but a powerful tool to improve health. It does not require you to change the food you eat, but focuses on how to organize your eating time. This is a model that combines eating time and non-eating time, not reducing calories but adjusting eating time to optimize health. Hello Health Facts family, in today's video we will learn together about how to lose weight successfully with intermittent fasting. With at least 20 years of experience in the health field, having interacted with at least 50,000 people, I will reveal to you the secrets of how to lose weight successfully with intermittent fasting. And of course, the best part will be revealed at the end of the video. Let's dive in. 1. Why you should apply intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is not just a trend, but one of the most effective strategies to help you lose weight sustainably and improve your overall health. Why is this important? Because intermittent fasting activates powerful biological mechanisms in the body, especially two key hormones. The first is growth hormone, a hormone that is considered the secret weapon of your body. This is not only an anti-aging hormone, but also the most powerful catalyst in burning excess fat. What's special is that this hormone helps protect muscles and promotes the body to build lean muscle mass, an important factor for health and ideal body shape. In addition, intermittent fasting also helps optimize the activity of other hormones related to fat burning. There are a total of 6 hormones responsible for this process, and growth hormone is the most powerful, putting your body into a state of effective fat loss without losing muscle. So if you are looking for a natural and effective method to lose weight and improve health, intermittent fasting is the choice that cannot be ignored. 2. The role of insulin and the benefits of intermittent fasting for insulin control. Let's talk about insulin. Insulin is an important hormone, but when it comes to weight control, it can be a big challenge. Insulin not only helps the body store fat, but also prevents the process of burning excess fat. This is why losing weight becomes difficult when your insulin levels are always high. When insulin spikes, it suppresses growth hormone, a hormone that is needed to help your body build and burn fat. This means that insulin is the switch that controls belly fat and your weight. Have you ever wondered why some people have fat around their midsection? It's a clear sign of excess insulin in the body. This isn't just a cosmetic issue, it's also linked to health risks, like type 2 diabetes and heart problems. Intermittent fasting, when done correctly, can help lower insulin levels naturally. When your body isn't constantly processing food, insulin drops, which paves the way for your body to start burning fat more efficiently. This not only aids in weight loss, but also improves your overall health. 3. Insulin resistance and how intermittent fasting can improve it. Let's take a closer look at what's really going on in your body. Insulin resistance is when your pancreas has to produce 5 to 7 times more insulin than it actually needs. This happens because the cells in your body become blocked by insulin, making it difficult for your body to respond effectively. Imagine trying to talk to someone, but they are wearing noise-canceling headphones. When the connection is disrupted, your body responds by increasing insulin levels, which only makes matters worse. This is a breakdown in two-way communication within your body, which can cause serious metabolic problems. Intermittent fasting is a simple but powerful way to combat this. By allowing your body longer breaks between meals, the frequency of insulin spikes decreases, giving your cells time to regain sensitivity. Over time, your body's natural mechanisms gradually return to balance, resulting in better health and more energy. It's like turning down the volume on an overworked system, allowing things to tune out and function normally. This approach is especially relevant for many Americans, where insulin resistance and prediabetes are on the rise due to eating habits high in processed foods and constant snacking. Intermittent fasting is not just a weight loss strategy, but a holistic approach to taking control of your health. It's a way to reset your body's natural communication, one fasting period at a time. 4 steps to perform intermittent fasting. When the body falls into a state of insulin resistance, the pancreas has to work harder to produce more insulin, to maintain stable blood sugar levels. However, this leads to a vicious cycle. Insulin is ineffective in bringing glucose into cells, causing blood glucose levels to decrease in some areas, but excessive insulin increase in others. As a result, the body is prone to prediabetes, a state that has many potential health risks, such as inflammation, obesity, and cardiovascular problems. To overcome this, the intermittent fasting method is a potential solution, helping to readjust the insulin balance and improve the body's insulin sensitivity. Starting this journey does not require a sudden change. Start by listening to your body. For example, if you normally eat 3 main meals a day, try spacing them out or skipping a snack in the evening. Over time, your body will get used to relying on stored fat for energy instead of constantly demanding glucose. Intermittent fasting is not a quick fix, but a gradual adaptation process. The most important thing is to be patient and combine it with a healthy lifestyle, such as getting enough sleep and light exercise. Over time, you will feel the obvious health benefits of this method. 5. Switch from eating large meals to eating small meals and the effectiveness of intermittent fasting. Think of your diet as a scale, with one end being eating continuously throughout the day and the other end being highly effective intermittent fasting, which helps burn excess fat. Many people today start with a 5 to 6 meal a day diet, consisting of breakfast, lunch, snacks in between, and then ending with dinner and maybe an evening snack. This habit is very popular in the busy American lifestyle, where people often think that eating many small meals is good for health and helps maintain stable energy. However, according to the principle of intermittent fasting, every time you eat, no matter what it is, from a small cake, a healthy apple, to a main meal, your body produces the hormone insulin. This happens not only when you consume carbohydrates, but also when you eat protein or fat. Insulin is essentially a storage hormone, and when insulin levels are constantly elevated throughout the day, your body is limited in its ability to burn fat. This constant eating habit not only increases insulin throughout the day, but also prevents the body from ever having time to enter a burning reserve energy state, a state necessary for sustainable weight loss. Intermittent fasting is not just about reducing the frequency of eating, but also affects the way your body operates hormones. By reducing the number of meals and focusing on periods of no eating, e.g., skipping breakfast or dinner, you help reduce the time for insulin to work, thereby activating the process of burning stored fat more effectively. This is not a forced method, but a way to help the body balance itself naturally, suitable for modern life, but still aiming for long-term health. When American audiences hear this, they will realize that reducing meals is not just a trend, but also a way for their bodies to recover, improve health, and lose weight sustainably. This approach is not only simple and easy to apply, but also solves the root problems caused by continuous dieting, from weight gain, hormonal disorders, to other metabolic diseases. 6. Switch to 3 meals a day. The secret to building a healthy foundation. The human body is not designed to eat continuously all day, like snacking and nibbling frequently. This habit not only disrupts the digestive system, but also causes excess energy accumulation, leading to health problems such as obesity or metabolic disorders. Therefore, the first step to building a healthy diet is to switch to eating 3 meals a day, no snacking in between meals. This sounds simple, but is a big change for the body. To feel full longer and not be bothered by hunger between meals, you need to focus on adding more healthy fats to your meals. Fats not only help prolong satiety, but also provide steady energy, helping you stay focused and active. Instead of focusing on specific foods, focus on this eating pattern. A balanced diet with 3 main meals will give your body time to rest and recover between digestions, improve overall health, and increase the ability to burn excess fat. Try making changes step by step. If you find it difficult, start by gradually reducing junk food and replacing it with nutritious meals. This is not only an effective way to lose weight, but also the foundation for a healthy and sustainable lifestyle. 7. 16 to 8. Intermittent fasting. The secret to improving health and losing fat effectively. Imagine improving your health and boosting your energy fat burning simply by adjusting your eating schedule. With the 16 to 8 intermittent fasting diet, you will spend 16 hours fasting and only eat within an 8-hour window each day. This means you still maintain 3 meals during this time, but the approach will change. If you wake up in the morning and don't feel hungry, listen to your body. Don't rush to eat just because of habit or the clock. Instead, wait until you actually feel hungry. An ideal starting point for this diet is to wait about 4 hours after waking up before having your first meal. For example, if you wake up at 7 a.m., consider eating breakfast around 11 a.m. You can then eat the remaining meals between 11 a.m. and 7 p.m. Not only does this approach give your body time to rest, digest, and repair, it also helps control your calorie intake, optimize fat burning, and improve your overall health. Try it today and see the difference. 8. Take it to the next level with the 24 fasting regimen. 20 hours of fasting, 4 hours of eating. Ready to take your health journey to the next level? Try the 24 fasting regimen, an effective way to boost fat burning and improve your overall health. With this method, you fast for 20 hours and spend the remaining 4 hours feeding your body. This not only helps control your calorie intake, but also creates optimal conditions for your body to use stored fat for energy. For example, you could start eating your first meal around 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. Then you just need to add another meal in the next 4 hours. Not only does this restricted eating window help reduce cravings, it also puts your body into ketosis, where fat is burned more efficiently. In the US, where fast food and processed foods are common, the 24 diet is a great way to rebuild a healthy lifestyle. The key is to listen to your body and choose nutrient-rich foods like protein, fiber, and healthy fats during your eating window. Combine this with an active lifestyle, and you'll soon see a noticeable difference in your waistline and energy levels throughout the day. Imagine you start eating lunch at 1 p.m., then eat your next meal at 5 p.m. With a 4-hour eating window, your body will spend the remaining 20 hours focusing on burning fat intensively. And if you add high-intensity interval training to this routine, the effect will increase significantly. It's not just the icing on the cake, but actually the core element to optimizing fat burning and improving health. However, it's important to remember that the transition to this mode doesn't happen overnight. If your body has been through a long period of extreme dieting like the HCG diet, only 500 calories per day, or other stressors that damage your metabolism, this process will require patience. The body needs time to adapt and gradually enter the optimal state. Don't worry if you initially experience difficulties such as headaches or feeling tired between meals. This is a normal response as your body adjusts. For some people, adaptation can take about 3 weeks, but for others, it can take 1 to 3 months or even longer. The most important thing is to take small steps and listen to your body. As you stick with it, your body will become more efficient at burning stored fat and optimizing your energy. Imagine not only achieving your fitness goals, but also improving your overall health. Scientific studies in the US have shown that intermittent fasting, combined with a reasonable exercise regimen, can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even support brain function. However, the key here is patience and discipline. If you want to practice intermittent fasting and make it a part of your lifestyle, start with small, easy-to-achieve goals. For example, try extending the gap between meals by an hour or 2, then gradually move to eating in shorter time frames. Don't try to overdo it at first, as this can put unnecessary stress on your body and mind. Remember, the goal is not just to lose weight, but to build a healthy, sustainable lifestyle. The journey may not be quick, but the long-term results you achieve will be worth the effort. Trust the process and stay focused on your health. We are here to walk with you every step of the way.